Hey there, Tubies! Today, we're discussing a recent court case that has grabbed headlines for all the wrong reasons. Now, before we dive into the details, I want to make it clear that the subject matter is quite serious and sensitive. We'll be talking about a former discipline master who was involved in some truly disturbing behavior. Over a period of 3 years, this individual secretly filmed upskirt videos of at least 45 female teachers and students in his school. It's a shocking violation of privacy, and the court found him guilty on 3 charges of insulting a woman's modesty, with an additional 5 charges taken into consideration. To protect the victims, a gag order was put in place, preventing the publication of the offender's identity. We have to respect the importance of safeguarding those affected by these despicable actions. The court documents revealed that the man would lure his victims into compromising positions by inviting them to use his workstation for data entry. Once they were in place, he would discreetly place his mobile phone beneath their skirts to record upskirt videos. He specifically targeted female colleagues wearing dresses or skirts, rarely inviting male colleagues and excluding those wearing trousers. This demonstrates a clear pattern of deliberate and calculated behavior. Disturbingly, he even took advantage of a student who had filmed upskirt videos of a female teacher. Instead of reporting the incident, he confiscated the student's phone and added the videos to his own collection. This level of manipulation and exploitation is truly horrifying. Eventually, his actions came to light when a vigilant teacher suspected that she and others might have been filmed. She bravely filed a police report, leading to the discovery of 173 upskirt videos on the offender's hard drive. These videos were labeled with the victims' names or vague descriptions such as Student 1 or Lift Girl. It's a stark reminder of how deeply this individual invaded the privacy and dignity of his victims. During the court proceedings, the prosecutor argued for a custodial sentence of 12 to 18 months. They highlighted the extensive duration of the offenses and the significant number of victims involved. The prosecutor rightly emphasized that these actions undermine the sense of ease and safety that women deserve to feel in public spaces, particularly when the offenses are committed by individuals they know and trust. In addition to his role as a teacher, the offender held the position of discipline master, responsible for safeguarding the well-being of students. Instead, he abused his authority and preyed upon vulnerable young students, exploiting their trust for his own gratification. This is an unforgivable breach of duty and demonstrates a complete disregard for the well-being of those under his care. While the offender's defense mentioned his struggles with major depressive disorder and the loss of his mother, it is important to note that these circumstances, although unfortunate, do not excuse or justify his actions. The court recognized this, stating that his ability to control his desires and impulses was not impaired, and he consciously chose not to exercise self-control. Ultimately, the judge handed down a sentence of 10 months and 2 weeks imprisonment. The judge stressed the importance of deterring others from committing similar offenses and ensuring that the offender does not reoffend. However, it's worth mentioning that the man has filed an appeal against his sentence, meaning the case might undergo further review by a higher court. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on this case? Do you believe the sentence was appropriate, or do you think it should have been more severe? Let's have a respectful and insightful discussion in the comments section below. Remember to keep the victims in mind and approach the topic with sensitivity.